Hello everyone, welcome to Nyans. Today we are talking about payment terms and condition in Odoo. So have you ever thought why do some business always get paid on time while other keep chasing payments? So the answer is simple, payment terms and condition which we can set in our invoices. Today let's understand how Odoo help you to control your cash flow with a smart payment terms. So in accounting configuration section, here is a payment terms option. They are already defined like payments, immediate payments, 15 days payment, 21 days payment. Likewise, you can see payment terms basically define when and how customer should pay. Like you can see there's a different payment terms we have created. As you can see there's a examples like immediate payments, 15 days payment, 21 days payments. Once we create a payment term, we clearly define like how much amount you have to pay to till date. Suppose there's a immediate payment and due is 100%. So 0 day after invoice date. Like once we create the invoice, so after that day you have to pay the 100% of payments. So if I'm going to create a new payment term, suppose it's a 7-day payment term. Okay, here I will define how much percentage of payment is required. After that I created 50%, and after creation of invoice date, so after creation of 7 days I have created the 50% of payment I required. Here you can see automated date is created, first installment. Like example, you can see the 26th of the May is example for this creation of invoice, and we have created the next month of this. So like this you can create a multiple your terms and conditions. Thanks for watching. You can like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.